Welcome to today's healthy and delicious meal plan, where we'll be featuring a mouth-watering salmon dish, paired with a delightful selection of steamed vegetables. So, let's dive right in. First up, we have our salmon. This lean protein is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining a healthy heart and brain. To prepare our salmon, we'll start by seasoning it with salt, pepper, and a touch of lemon juice. Then, we'll gently cook it in a hot skillet, making sure to move it around occasionally to ensure even cooking. Once it's cooked to your desired level of doneness, we'll transfer it to a serving platter and let it cool slightly before serving. Now, let's move on to our steamed vegetables. For this dish, we'll be using a mix of potato, tomatoes, and broccoli. These vibrant vegetables are not only nutrient-dense but also easy to cook in the microwave or on the stovetop. To prepare our vegetables, we'll simply steam them in a large pot for a few minutes until they're tender and crisp tender. And there you have it, a scrumptious and nutritious salmon and steamed vegetable meal plan. That's perfect for those looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Enjoy your meal.